and welcome back. Let's see something new. Today, we show you this dining table. This table has something special that it's an extension table. This is easier for users as there is more space for guests. Now, we'll show you how to use it. Unlock the lock hidden under the table to open the extension part. Slide the top at both sides to have space opening the hidden part. Flip and open the hidden leaf under the table to open the extension leaf. The hardwares are smooth and easy to slide, flip, to open. Slide the table top of both sides so there is no gap. It's almost done. The final step is remember to lock the top before using. Now, you'll have more space to serve guests. Open or close the extension part or not. The table is steady, no falling, breaking, even using the force on it. Showing you the whole process again. No matter what product, our QC team will check carefully from exterior to interior to make sure it's quality when reaching the client. That's it for today. See you in next video.